Are we live? The liveness is unreal. Okay, I think we're live now. Okay, there's something I want to talk about. We have like Godot, right? I want to talk about Godot, right? Godot, or what do we pronounce it, right? Like I got the basic. I took the basic tutorial, right? Or is this one? Whatever. Like I got like the basic understanding of the 2D and 3D by doing some kind of crush the creeper or something, right? Creeper. Right? That's the creeper tutorial, right? Whatever. It's the wrong page. But that was not enough, right? I still like not 100% sure what to actually work with Godot, right? So I did with another tutorial, right? Of Tutorial Hill, right? This can Alpa Asteroids tutorial, right? It's like seven videos or something, 6 videos. And they're like a quarter, half an hour each, right? So I actually made his game from scratch, and I'm pretty proud. And I want to show that because, but wait, there's more. But wait, I just want you to see how it's all started, right? What about the sound? So this is pretty much the code after the tutorial, right? So it's very basic gameplay. Like you have asteroids, you have game logic and game over screen, HUDs, right? Heads up display, laser. Alright, let's take it for a spin. It's very basic, right? It's just pew 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 pew, right? You can fly around, pew, and shoot, and sound. Hey. Yeah, you're not allowed to spawn unless it's clear in the starting area, right? I hope you got like an idea what this is, right? So this is like the basic gameplay loop you get from completing this tutorial, right? And instead of just say, okay, I'm done learning, right? Enough. Time to do another tutorial or something bullshit. I was like, how about I took off the training wheel and stop following shit on YouTube and actually try do something myself with the knowledge I already know, right? So
calling road.
So I actually I took a copy and actually kept working on it, right? The car's prototype. So it actually have a bunch of features now because like it's day 2 or something, like day 3. And the most recent thing I got to work was like some kind of save manager or something, save load. So I can like save your high score and load it back again and so on. And I also have like an idea of some kind of credit system you can use on a shop or something, right? Just like in Vampire Survivors or something, right? In the main menu, you can like upgrade your ships, so it gets like a incremental game, right? Yeah, but I also spent a fair amount of time on what it's called, particle effects, right? So I added some particle effects for the ship, like the engine exhaust gas or something, right? So I've been fiddling a lot with this. So now you can actually like drawing on the space where you have been, right? You can like draw a heart or something, right? Or something funny. So yeah, there's actually a lot like with the assets you do with this tutorial. There's like gray and brown asteroids, but then I add a random color on top of it, like some kind of modulate or something, color modulation. So you can actually make like some green rocks, some purple rocks, and yeah, this is my main menu, just testing. And credits are being saved. So 151 credits, right? So yeah, only quit button and the new game works so far. But as you can see, now you have a nice tail of rocket gas or something, right? Oh, and explosions, both the particle effect and sound, right? And there's more than just one sound. There's more like 7 different sound files, but I also like change the pitch of the sound. So basically there's like a few hundred sounds, technically, right? Because you get the same one a bit deeper and lighter. And you can also take damage from the small rocks. So we have like tiny and small, medium, large, right? The game mode stream is on, so when you die, your credits get calculated. So okay, got some more credit. So be it. But here you can see random colors, right? There's also some version that is like bluish, and then I gave it some alpha channel, so it makes it more opaque, right? Transparent, so it actually look like glass or something, right? Hey. Det er for vildt. But yeah, I really love the particle effects, right? Like, I have to say I'm like a big fan of Noita and Terraria and whatnot, right? The pixel graphic with particle effects, right? Oh my god. Hey. Yeah, this is the blue one, right? You see they are a little bit transparent. You can see the stars behind them. Like ice. I also like did something with the spreads of the particle effect, so it's like slow speeds. The spread is like 45 degrees from the exhaust, right? But if like full throttle, it'll be like a smaller line, right? Also another thing, when you get hits, you start getting like smoke activated from the hull, right? In both wing and at the nose, right? And it gets more intense the more damage you have taken, right? Yeah, of course, the engine exhaust doesn't spread out fire if you're not moving, right? So only when moving we can do some drawing, right? Like it's like writing, fancy. Can I even write a heart? Draw a heart? Oh, no. It takes practice, right? Hmm. How dare you? Anyway, new game. Purple. Where's my purple one? There you are. But yeah. Instead of making new textures, right? Like take the textures, the sprites, and do some color shift in paints. Thank God it's basically not necessary, right? Because you can just change the color inside the editor, right? Even though this is gray and brown, right? But it still looks like decent rock color, right? Anyway, shall we do something crazy? But yeah, I'm never going back to Unity. I have to tell you that, right? This is the real deal for like a one-man developer or something, right? So yeah, it's pretty good when you finally get like the hang of this system with the scene, right? Hierarchy, right? So a game scene have UI and the player and so on, and make a spawn and so on. Anyway, let's make the game a bit wilder. Maybe we need some more firepower also. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. I think my next commit on GitHub will be like remove all the prototype code or something, right? So many comments now. Just testing, right? Yeah, the thing with if there's too many asteroids, good luck finding a time where the spawn area is actually like clear of asteroids. So if setting the numbers too high, good luck with the respawn. It's freaking dense. But yeah, maybe that was a bit too insane, honestly. Which parts? Back to 10, 7. Is it too loud? Maybe we should actually turn it a bit down. Right? It's dominating. Get fucking wrecked. Huh? I just wanna fly. But that is pretty much the gameplay loop, kind of, right? Right. I think I have to like put all the stats of the ship way down, so like start from 0 to hero, right? So you're slow and only shooting 1 bullet at a time, and the fire rate is slow, right? And then you can just spend your credits on whatever upgrades, right? And I really wish there would be like no limits, like, oh, you can only upgrade your fire rate 5 times because otherwise it'll be unbalanced. Fuck you! It's my game, right? It's your game. You brought it, right, or something, right? So you can just keep upgrading the fucking fire rates or the health of the ship or the speed or the turn rates till it fucking break the machine, right? Wouldn't that be fun, right? Like, I don't know. Fuck your balance, right? We're here to what do we call it? I don't know. Don't want to quote a tool song, right? But explore the boundaries, right? What is the boundaries? So that is what I like. Be able to like change the parameters in the game. Like take Doom, for example, right? We have like a mod for Doom, and then you have like a slider where you can like add additional monsters. I like playing with that slide and say, oh, can I do this? Can I do this? Like, where's my limits, right? So yeah, I don't want to put limits, right? Like at least make the limit so big, it's not really a issue, right? Like 1,000 upgrades just on fire rates, right? And it's like an incremental of 1% or something, 2.5%. Then you can get something crazy, right? Yeah, rate of fire. If this is higher, it should be slower, right? Because I use this in a wait function. Oh, this is so deep. Fuck it. Yeah. So imagine there was no people or something. Okay. Like when you start a new game, it'll be like firepower 1, slow fire rates. And you're just like mew 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 mew. And then you die, and then you get credits, and then you get more firepower, more speeds, more max speed and acceleration and health, right? Health points can also be increased, right? Or maybe make the collision, scale the collision size of the player smaller and call it evasion, right? So, yeah. Upgrades. Just think about it, right? So yeah, that was a little bit of showcase of my game, based off another game, based off a tutorial, but now it's mine. I made this, right? And it's actually more fun than playing game. Like I haven't been playing Hunt Showdown or anything, right? No gaming on Steam for 2 days because I'm a bit like, yeah, I wanna work on my game instead. It's more fun, and that is pretty cool, right? So yeah. By the way, soon we get a new update. 5 days from now, and it will be a big change. Inventory slots rework, right? Damn. Whatever. But yeah, if you're thinking about doing some game development, maybe try Godot, right? And fuck Unity. I mean, it's really fast to like get boot up, right? And it's not like, oh, it needs to compile or something. It's like TypeScript-ish Python, right? So it's like it's just running, right? The code is just running. Fuck you! Fuck you! Lie! What's my sound? What is my sound? Yeah, you also lose a little bit of your velocity when you're hitting stuff, right? You get like a 70% reduction or something, right? Slap af, man. You. Oi. And more life. So you can maybe like buy 100 credits and then you get like 4 life every time you start a new game instead of 3 or something, right? And why put a limit? That is like my philosophy, right? Where you can like in Vampire Survivors upgrade store, power up store, right? There can maybe be only 2 upgrades for bullet speed, right? Only 2 fucking upgrades for bullet speed. That's like, why? Like, what about late game, right? What about anything, right? So I want to give you some fair amount of upgrades, right? Like, okay, firepower, you can only upgrade firepower 3 times, and that's it, because balance. Fuck your balance. What about if I want 13, 16? 16 times the details. Get fucking wrecked. It's my points, right? Like, it's your points. Spend them as you want. Firepower, fire rates, health points. Yeah. The handling of the aircraft and so on, right? So that is the design philosophy in the future, right? So yeah, that was a little tech demo showcase, and yeah, I can export it to like executable files. So if you want, you can try it if you ask nicely or something, right? So yeah, that's what I've been doing since the last weekend or something, right? A nice mix of hacking machines on Wallhub and game development on Godot, or what do we call it? How do we even Godot? Whatever. Thank you for watching. So yeah, that was the thing. All the code belongs to us. Yeah, but have some version control, right? You will appreciate it. Sometimes I also like, I don't want to do a change. I don't want to take a big change or a big step forward because I want to just have what I currently have saved, right? And sometimes it's both have it on GitHub on a private repository and have like a second copy on your hard drive or something, right? Just make it foolproof, right? And then you can like release the anxiety, right, of coding again, right? But yeah, I think the next step for me right now is is do something with the gameplay again, right? Now I've been fiddling with sound and particles effects and saving some data, right? A proof of concepts. I think I want to like make something right when there's barely any more asteroids left. Maybe there should be a counter on screen like 10 seconds from now, more asteroids is approaching, right? So something like that, so you can like keep playing. Like either that or just a new map, right? But yeah, I don't know. Why a new map? Like it's not like it's Doom, E1, M2, and M1, and so on. Right, go find the exit, right? You are in fucking space, right? Go kill stuff, destroy stuff, right? So they just keep coming. But what about UFOs? Well, UAPs, right? Unidentified aerial phenomenon or something, right? So maybe it's time to have something to spice it up, right? Not just asteroids in different sizes. Maybe something that can shoot back. Maybe something that have health, right? So yeah, okay. Anyway, I pretty much just woke up and starting the recording because the plan was actually to do it yesterday around before midnight, but I was just way too tired to actually feel like talking in front of a screen, right? So we did the thing before even a cup of coffee, right? Just got out of bed just to talk about my game development updates. So yeah, try it out yourself if that is your type of thing, right? It's pretty cool. But yeah, it's like I'm thinking like there's so many problems to solve just to make a real game, right? It's still not a game yet. It's more like a tech demo, right? Like at least the main menu is helping a lot on that identity. But yeah, there's a lot of systems that need to be in place in order to call it a real game, right? And while you're working on it, it's like I'm not thinking about 1,000 systems I need to create. I'm just thinking right now, like what's the next step, right? So the particle effects is awful. I need to do some fine tuning because I want to actually enjoy while playtesting, right? So we need some kind of graphics, right? The explosions and the exhaust gas and the laser also has some particles effects. So this is like the bare minimum. Okay, now we can work on systems. And then we work on system for a bit. And then it's like, okay, what is the next thing that needs some more development? Is it the gameplay? Is it the graphic? Is it the something else, right? Alright, I say thank you for watching. So yeah, have a nice day. Go out and get them. Or something. Hey. Catch me later. I might buy you a beer or something, right?